Good morning again. How are you? How are you doing? Okay. So today is 33 2020 class 8. The teacher wants to be HSL. So the title of this is surface area. Sorry. Surface area. Okay. Surface area and volumes and volumes. Okay. First of all, before starting finding the surface area or volumes of such a solid, at least I will let you refresh your mind by calculating the following shapes. Calculating the area of this rectangle, triangle, and the kite. Okay. I will label this as A. This is B. And this is shape C. Okay. What is the area of shape A? Area of shape A into parentheses is equal to what? To the length multiplied by width. Yes? This is length. Okay. And this is my case is width. Okay. So length is what? Is 6 centimeter multiplied by 2 gives 12 centimeter square. Don't forget about the unit. If the unit doesn't written, write the unit square. For B, area of triangle B. Okay, is what? What is the formula? The formula is 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. The base is 12. This is the base, my kids. Okay, this is the base equal 12. And this is the height, which is perpendicular to the base. So it will be 1/2 multiplied by base is 12 multiplied by 9 centimeters. So 12 divided by 2. First of all, 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. 6 multiplied by 9 is 50. 54. What is the unit? Centimeter squared. Okay? The next one. The area of this kite. The area of the kite is, these are called diagonals. Okay? This is height number 1 and this is height number 2. Or base 1, base 2. So the area of this kite is 10 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. Area of the shape C is this one, the first diagonal, multiplied by the second diagonal, which are meeting at a right angle degree. So it will be 10 multiplied by 5. Gives 50. What is the unit? Meter square. Okay. This is about the area. Learning objectives. First of all, the student should be able to calculate the area of 2D shapes. What area? Circle, rectangles, parallelogram, trapezium, and so on. Able to calculate the surface area of cuboid. Able to calculate the surface area of prisms also. Okay? And also to work out the volumes of such a solid. Okay, let's start. Surface area and volumes of prism. Student book, page 149. A prism is, okay, sorry. A prism is a 3D shape that has a tensile cross section. Okay? For example, this is what? This is a cube. Okay? This one, for example, this is 3 centimeter, my kids. As a cube, all of the sides are 3 centimeter. I will shade this to make this in the cross section. Area of cross section. Okay. So to find the volume of this cuboid is easier, is area of cross section multiplied by the length. Okay? And also for triangular prism is the same. Area of cross section multiplied by itself. And for the cuboid also it will be the same like this. Okay. Let's see. Result. Okay. Just a moment. Okay. Here we have a cube. Okay, this is the length, my kids. This is the length. This is the width. This is the height. The cube has 6 identical faces. Each face is the same square letter F. So this cube has 6 faces. This letter F is the same around and at the bottom and up, the same faces. Okay. Area of F is what? 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. This is the area of my face F. Okay. The next, which is equal to 100 meters squared. Then total surface area is what? Total surface area, my kids. How many faces here we have? 6. So total surface area is 6 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 100 meter squared equal 600 meter squared. This is about what? About the surface area. But the volume, my kids, volume equal what? Equal 10 to the power 3. Why? Because it's a square. 10 to the power 3 gives 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 gives 1, okay, 1000 meter cubed. Okay, be careful. Okay, then so we told that the surface area is 6 multiplied by 100. Okay. Of course, the unit is meter. Now move to cuboid. Work out the surface area of the volume. Okay. Look here, we have what? We have cuboid. Okay. So, area of, in order to work out the surface area means what? Means you calculate the area of this rectangle, then you multiply by 2 because we have 2 rectangles the same shape. And also rectangle number 3, 2 multiplied by 4. Then multiply by 2 because we have 2 rectangles. And what is at the top and the bottom is the same rectangle at 2. Okay? So area of rectangle 1 is what? Okay? Okay. Let's do it. Area of rectangle 1 is 6 multiplied by 4 is 6 multiplied by 4 centimeter equal 24 centimeter squared. Okay, but how many rectangles here? We have 2, so total it will be 2 multiplied by 24 is equal to 48 centimeter squared. Then the next one, for rectangle 2, we have this is 6, okay, and this is 2 centimeter. This is 2, so 6 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. The unit is centimeter squared, and as we have 2 rectangles, okay, so we multiply by 2. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24, okay. I will use this one because we have 2 rectangles in the same size and the same shape. Rectangle number 3 is this, 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, this is 4, my kids. So 2 by 4, make 2 by 4 is 8 centimeter squared. But here we have 2. Two faces. 1, 2. So it will be 2 multiplied by 8 gives 16. Now I will write this one like this. I will write 48 here. Then I will write here 12. Then I will write here 8. Then I will calculate. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 48, 68. It will be 48. I'll make it plus 20. Okay. Equals 68. Okay? This is about what? About the surface area. What about the volume? The volume, my kids, is what? Is length multiplied by width multiplied by the height. What is the length? Length is 6. This is L. This is width. And this is the height. Okay? So, volume equal what? Equal length multiplied by width multiplied by height. It will be equal 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. 6 by 2, 12. Okay. 12 by 4 is 48. 48 what? Centimeter cubed. Be careful. Okay. The next example. Okay. Here we have the example. Okay, it says the area of the first is 24. The second one is 6 by 2, 12. Okay, then 4 by 2 is 8. Okay. Exercise. Work out the surface area of this area of the film cube. Here we have cuboid. Okay. So, surface area is what? Is okay. Surface area is 2 times length multiplied by width plus length multiplied by height plus width multiplied by height. Okay, it will be equal to 2 times length is what? 20 multiplied by 5 plus 20 multiplied by 10. 20 multiplied by 10 plus what? Plus 5 multiplied by plus 5 multiplied by 10. Then it will be 2 times, this is 100 plus 200 plus 50. So 100 plus 200, 200 and 300 plus 50, 2 times 350 gives 700. What is the unit? Of course, the unit is centimeter squared. This is about the surface area. Now about what? About the volume. The volume equal what? 20. Okay. Multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. Multiplied by the height. The height is this. Is 10. Okay. Multiplied by 10. Equal what? 20 by 5. 100. So by 10. 1000. What is the unit? Centimeter cube. Okay. Okay, the next area is 200, 100, 50. Okay. So, look here. The area of the first one is 20 multiplied by 10. Okay. But we have 2 rectangles, 20 by 10. Okay, we do two rectangular faces. So I should multiply this one. Okay? So 10 by okay. Then we have 5 multiplied by 20. 5 multiplied by 20. Okay, then the next one, area of the third rectangle is 5 multiplied by 10. This is 10 also. Okay, this is 10. So 5 by 10 will be 50. Then I will double all of this. Why? Because we have, for each rectangle we have, it's identical rectangle. Means we have two rectangle faces which have the same, which are identical. Okay? So just add 200 plus 100 plus 50. Okay? It will be 300 plus 50. 350 multiplied by 2 is 700. And the volume, of course, is what? V is what? 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 5. Okay, is what? This is 20. It will be 20 to 200 by 5 gives 1000 centimeter cube. Okay? The next. Okay, well, here we have another example. Okay. Okay, that's good. What is the area of the first one? 10 multiplied by 7 means 10 by 7 is 70. But I should multiply by 2 because Because I have, I should multiply it by 2 because what? Because we have two faces. Okay? Then, this one, R1 is 70. Okay, and R2 is what? Is 2 multiplied by 10. This is 10, my kids. From here to here. Okay? And this is 2. So, 2 by 10. 10 by 2. Okay. It will be equal to what? Equal to 20. The next, it will be 2 multiplied by 7. This is 7. So 2 by 7 or 7 by 2 is 14. Then I will add all of this. 70 plus 20 plus 40. It will be, so I will make 70 plus 20 plus 14. Then I will multiply by 2. That will be 90 plus 104. Multiplied by 2, it will be 208. Okay? This is what? This is the surface area. Or use this method. Total surface area equal 2 times 10 multiplied by 2 is 20 plus 10 multiplied by 7 is 70 plus 2 multiplied by 10. 2 multiplied, let's move. Okay. 2, 10 by 7, 70. Then 10 by 2, okay, this is 2. Then 7 by 2, 7 by 2 is 14. So, this is 90, okay. 90 plus 14, 90 plus 14 is 0, okay, 14 is 14. Multiplied by 2 is 208 meter square. This is about the surface area. What about the volume? The volume equal what? 10 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 gives us, so 20 by 7 is equal to what? Equal to 140. What is the unit? Is meter cube. Okay? This is how to do it. Okay. You can see that. Here we have area of the first rectangle is 10 by 7, 70. Yeah, is 70. Then area of rectangle 2 is 2 multiplied by 10. Okay, 2 by 10 is 20. Then area of the third one is 2 by 7. Okay, is 40. Then I will add all of this, my kids. All of this. Then I will multiply by 2. Okay, I will multiply it by 2. So 104 by 2 gives 208. Okay, and the volume is what? The volume that you refresh your mind is 10 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 7 by 2 by 10. It will be 70 multiplied by 2, 140 meter cube. Okay, the next one. Okay. Let's move. Now, let's say, how can you find the surface area of cylinder or the surface area of triangle or prism? Okay. Here we have some solids A, B, W. A, B, W. Okay. This is A. Okay. This is B. Okay. And this is W. And last one is C. Okay. This is cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. Okay. Continue. Now find out the surface area of the filament solids. So this one is what? Surface area is 6 multiplied by 5 by 5 equal 6 multiplied by 25 equal 150 centimeter square. And this one, okay, it will be surface area is 2 times 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Okay. Plus 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Plus this is 6, 1 by 6 is 6. Okay, so it will be 2 multiplied by 2 by 2, 2 by 12, 2 plus 12 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 12. So it will be 40. What is the unit? Centimeter, sorry. Meter square. It's 1 meter square. Okay? The next example. Okay. Let's do it. Here we have triangular prism. We'll try to work out its surface area. Okay. First of all, I will try to work out the area of the first triangle. Okay, area of first triangle. Okay. Which is, this is the first triangle. This is what I will use again. This is what? This is 5. The base is 5. Multiplied by the height is 6. So area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to, here we have 2 triangles. We have this one, we have this one and this one also. Okay, I will do that. This is a triangle number 1. Okay, this one also a triangle number 2. We have 2 triangles. Okay. So the area is 1 over 2 multiplied by the base is 5 multiplied by the height is 6. So it will be 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 15 meters square. So this one equal 15 1 over 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 is 15 meters square. But we have 2 triangles. Area of triangles 2 is the same like that. Is 1 over 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 is 15 meters square. Move to area of rectangle number 1. Rectangle 1. This is rectangle number 1. Okay? That's 1. Okay. Rectangle 1. This is rectangle 2. And this one is. Okay. Rectangle 1 equal what, my kids here? This one, we have 1. Okay. This is rectangle 2. It will be 5 multiplied by 12. Okay, 5 by 12. It will be 60. Okay, 60 meters. This one, then the next one. It will be 7 multiplied by 12. 7 multiplied and 3. 7 multiplied by 12 is 70, okay, 84. Okay? Then rectangle 1. Okay. Rectangle 1 is 5 by 12 divided 7 by, this is 7, this is 12. Okay. This is divided, sorry. This is 7 by 12. Okay. Then we have 11 by 12. Okay, then 11, we have 11 by 12. It will be 130. Okay, now we just add surface area is what? Is 15 plus 15 is 30 plus 132 plus 60 plus 84. So just make here 30 plus what? Plus 196. 192 plus 84. So this is 6, okay, 12, 20, 21. So it will be 306. 306. It will be 306 meters squared. Okay? But about the volume equal what, my kids? Equal the area of this triangle multiplied by 12. So it will be 15 multiplied by 12. Okay? 15 I can write it as 30 divided by 2. Then I'll multiply by 12. So, or you can write like that, double 15 is 30, multiply half, 12 is 6. It will be 90 meter cube. This is the volume. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Look here, my kids, you got that. Area of triangle 1 is 15 meters squared. Area of triangle 2, this one, is what? Is 15 by 2 is 31 because we have two triangles. Area of rectangle number 1. Rectangle number 1 is 12 multiplied by 11. This is rectangle number 1. Okay? It will be 132 meters squared. Then for the second rectangle, we have 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 12. 5 multiplied by 12. Okay, this is the second rectangle. I should measure its area. Then the third one, rectangle area of rectangle number 3 is 7 multiplied by 12. This is, my kids, you can know, this is 7 and this is 12. Also, this one is 12. Okay. So, triangle 1, 2, and this is 3. So, the total area is what? Just adding all these numbers. So, total surface area is 30 plus 132 plus 60 plus 84. You can calculate it will be 306 meters squared. About the volume, we told that volume is the area of this triangle multiplied by the length. Okay? So, area of triangle multiplied by the length. Okay? This is the formula. The next, here we have another triangular prism. Okay. The question is, try to find out the surface area. Okay. We have what like this? Yes? Okay, look here. Area of triangle. This is the area of triangle. It's the first triangle. Is what? Is 3. This is 90 degree. Okay, is 3 the height multiplied by the base. 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 by 6. It will be 9. Okay? Because here we have 90 degree. Okay, then this is 3, my kids. Okay, this is 7. This is also 7. This is 10. Okay, this is also 10. So this one will be 6. Okay, so then we move to rectangle number 1. Is what rectangle number 1? Is 10. This is rectangle number 1, my kids. And we have this is rectangle number 1. Is what? Is 10 multiplied by 6. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60. Then rectangle number 2. Rectangle number 1 plus number 2. This one. Okay, it will be 7 multiplied by 10. 7 multiplied by 10. This one is 7 multiplied by 10. This is rectangle number 2. Okay, it will be 70 meters square. Then area of rectangle 3. This is rectangle 3 is what? 3 multiplied by 10. Okay, this is 3. This is rectangle 3. Okay, is 10 multiplied by 3. Okay, it will be 30 meters square. To find the total the surface area, just surface area, just add all of this. Means 18. Why 18? Because we have two triangles. We have two triangles. This is triangle number 1. Okay. This is triangle number 2. Okay. This one. Okay. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 60 meters squared plus 70 plus 30 gives 178 meters squared. This is about the surface area. Total of surface area. But the volume equal what, my kids? Equal area of cross section multiplied by the length. Okay? Means V equal, what is the area of only one square, of only one triangle is 9. 9 multiplied by the length is 10. So it will be 90, what is the unit? Centimeter or meter? Here, centimeter. Okay, so this is centimeter. Centimeter square. Okay, centimeter square. Centimeter square. This is centimeter square. Okay, centimeter square. Because here it's written centimeter. Okay, here centimeter cube. Okay. Another example.